this kind of broiler cage system is most advanced broiler cage in the world. It can realize not only feeding, drinking, manure removing automatically, but also broiler harvesting automatically. It is suitable for large-scale broiler farm specification. Each tier equipped with 2 water lines and 1 feeding line. There are 2 feeding pans and 12 nipples for drinking. The same land area can raise more birds than floor raising system. It will improve utilization of the house and reducing energy costs, and you can easily observe the condition of chickens and deal with problems in time. The equipment also has a 20-year service life. It is the first choice for large-scale broiler raising. The ideal raising environment makes the birds more comfortable. The survival rate is higher. Separate rearing can reduce the activity space. Each bird can get enough feed, and the feed utilization rate is higher. Broiler farm managers have 3 issues, including bird harvesting, manure cleaning, and chicken house cleaning. H-type broiler raising equipment can achieve automatic feeding, drinking, manure cleaning, bird harvesting, and environment control 2 to 4 times higher raising quantity compared to production on the floor, improving utilization of the house, and reducing energy costs. Automatic transport of the ready for slaughter broilers out of the house to save time and reduce costs. Healthy and uniform birds increase growth. Rate high feed conversion, up to 1 batch more per year. More accurate smart control and ideal environment.